Imagine waking up to your alarm buzzing. But this alarm only rings when disaster is near. Sounds crazy? Let's dive in. What if your alarm sensed danger? It could be a fire, storm, or accident. Instead of a standard wake-up call, it becomes a lifesaver. You wake up with urgency, prepared to face the threat. First, picture how this works. Sensors detect unusual activity. For instance, if a storm approaches, your alarm rings. It alerts you to prepare and seek shelter. Next, consider the technology. These alarms connect to weather services. They gather data, processing it quickly. As danger approaches, it sends alerts. But what about other disasters? Imagine an impending earthquake. Your alarm activates before the tremor hits. This early warning provides crucial time to react. Now, let's visualize its impact. You're at home, getting ready. Suddenly, your alarm rings. You remember, it's not just for waking up. It's time to take cover. How about a fire nearby? The alarm activates again. You quickly exit, ensuring your safety. The alarm saved your life. So, what have we learned? Alarms can be more than just waking devices. They can be life-saving tools, sensing danger. This innovation changes our perspective. In summary, a disaster alert alarm could save lives. It senses danger, connecting you to real-time data. While it may seem far-fetched, the technology is possible. Ready to explore this innovative concept further? Consider investing in smart safety solutions. Your life could depend on it.